Thinking about getting behind the wheel of the iconic Nissan GTR? Renowned for its breathtaking performance and track-ready capabilities, the GTR is a dream for many car enthusiasts. But do you know what is costs to own one? In this video, we'll break down the running costs associated with the GTR, from insurance to fuel, tires, servicing, brakes, and even potential repairs. Let's jump in! The Nissan GTR is powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering an impressive 565 brake horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and has a top speed of around 196 miles per hour. This is a car that excels on the track, but owning one comes with its own set of financial responsibilities. So, how much can you expect to pay? Let's kick things off with insurance. Insurance for the GTR can be quite steep. It typically falls into Insurance Group 50, meaning you could see annual premiums ranging from £1,200 to £2,500. Of course, your age, driving record, and location will impact these rates, but be prepared for higher premiums for this high-performance machine. Now, let's talk about fuel. The GTR is known for its appetite. Official figures estimate a combined fuel economy of around 24 miles per gallon. But in reality, you might see figures closer to 18 to 20 miles per gallon, especially if you're enjoying the power it has to offer. To keep the GTR stuck to the road, it comes fitted with high-performance tires, such as the Dunlop SP Sport Max GT. A full set of 4 tires will set you back around 1,200 to 1,500 pounds, including fitting. If you're just replacing 2, expect to pay about 600 to 750 pounds. Keep in mind these tires are designed for performance and won't last as long as standard ones. Budget for replacements every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, depending on driving habits. The GTR has a service interval of every 9,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. A minor service typically costs around 300 to 500 pounds, covering oil changes and basic checks. However, a major service, which occurs every 18,000 miles, can range from 800 to 1,200 pounds, as it includes more extensive work like spark plug replacements and fluid changes. Don't forget about the brake fluid, which needs changing every 2 years at approximately 150 to 200 pounds. Additionally, keep an eye on the transmission fluid, which should be changed every 36,000 miles for about 300 to 400 pounds. When it comes to brakes, the GTR features high-performance options that are essential for its capabilities. Replacing the front brake pads will cost around 300 to 500 pounds, while the rear pads are slightly cheaper. If you need to replace the discs, expect costs of around 800 to 1,200 pounds per axle. Given the GTR's performance nature, it's vital to budget for brake maintenance regularly. Now let's discuss potential common issues. Like all performance cars, the GTR can face some challenges. One common issue is with the clutch, particularly in models with high mileage. Replacing the clutch can cost anywhere from 1,500 to 3,000 pounds. Additionally, carbon buildup can be a concern in the engine, especially if regular maintenance isn't followed. Cleaning this can cost around 500 to 1,000 pounds. Regular servicing can help mitigate these risks, but it's wise to budget for unexpected repairs. So there you have it. The Nissan GTR is an extraordinary vehicle that delivers unparalleled performance. In summary, you should expect to spend around 3,000 to 4,000 pounds annually on brakes, tires, and servicing alone. While it's a hefty investment, you're getting supercar-level performance that can be thrilling to own. If you're ready for these expenses, the GTR can be a dream come true. Just make sure you're prepared financially. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what's your dream car? And would you take the leap with a GTR? See you in the next one.